Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Today is the deal day that Fubara will know his faith, truly, if he is still the governor of Rivers State. Sim Fubara came in with a massive support from Yesom Wike, who has since then, abandoned, or rather turned against him. Yesom Wike supported Sim Fubara. According to Wike, he bought the form, he did the campaign, everything for campaign. Anybody that needs to be seen, according to Wiki, was seen, courtesy of him. Everything that needed to be done financial wise, he did it, and he said anybody who has reaped, anybody who has so will he not. That's where Wiki talks reap. So he's only reaping from the dividends of his sowing. Okay, so when you get a farm and you've planted some things, it's only wise that you enjoy the fruit of your labor. So Sim Fubara has since then seen the president a number of times over his issue with Wike, and today the Supreme Court will be deciding if Sim Fubara is the governor or the APC candidate. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Just in, Supreme Court delivers judgment on APC's suit against Governor Fubara. The Supreme Court in Abuja is scheduled to hear the possible delivery of judgment on Monday regarding the appeal filed by the governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC, Patrick Tonye. The appeal is against the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, the People Democratic Party, PDP, and the governor of the state, Sim Fubara. One of Tony Collell's key argument is that Fubara did not resign as the accountant general of the state within the constitutional stipulated deadline and the election act. Consequently, Tony Connell assured that Fubara was not qualified to participate in the election, let alone be declared the winner of the election by INEC. This contention, among other plea from the APC candidate, will be considered by the Apex Court later today. The conclusion of the electoral jurisdiction and matters anticipated will show us what will happen next. This 16th of January 2026 happens to be the day where all will be said and done, and Sim Fubara will know his faith. So this is where we are at the moment, and if there's any time, Sim Fubara needs to pray, it is now more than ever before. Every single individual is beginning to watch and see how things are happening and why, we cannot afford to allow the same thing over and over again. So it is important that we do not leave things to chance and that we all stand up, to what is important, and we begin to do everything humanly speaking necessary to change the course of the nation and bring us to where we need to be. So as it stands at the moment, Sim Fubara will know his faith in no distance time. Okay, as it stands at the moment, Sim Fubara will be knowing his faith in no distance time, and every single one of us will get to know exactly what is happening. Yes, on Wike and Fubara, the matter has still not subsided. The issue is still very much on because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu had to invite Fubara to the presidency to Villa, and they had discussion. Wike was not there. Wike met with people in Rivers State. The governor who should be there was unavoidably absent. So a lot of things have happened. A lot of issues are still very much on ground, and we are watching to see how these things will play out. The Supreme Court, which happens to be the highest authority in the land, will be deciding on this case and will be knowing what will happen going on from here. Some people, if Fubara is removed, it's going to cause a lot of problem, in the state. It's going to cause a lot of unrest because we all know where this is stemming from. It's more or less more, oppression than allowing people to express themselves. Part of the whole thing is because Fubara noticed, a kind of, money draining pipeline that Wike set in place before leaving, which he calls his structure. He will not say it out, he called it his structures. Funny enough, the president is supporting him, talking about the person of Tinubu, and here we are at the moment. Well, we will keep you more up to speed as the matter unfold. Nigeria na so the thing they be. When you feel say you don't get people with the honest and say you go just to say another turn of event, not be waiting you think, not be so the thing can be. So what we thought was quite different, was quite different from what is happening now. Okay, so this is why every single person needs to understand, what's going on. Okay, this is why we need to understand what's going on and ensure that the difference is felt and Nigeria becomes a better place. Every single one of us have got an opportunity to make a change. What are we doing about it? Are we just going to sit down there and do nothing particular, or we're going to stand up for what is right and say, you know what, enough is enough? So these are the days upon us, and every single individual has got an opportunity to ensure that the change does really come. As we look at everything, we know that Nigeria has got an opportunity for the change to come, and if things becomes different, Nigerians will enjoy it greatly. So let's not give opportunity. Let's not give, those who wants to destroy our nation and put us in a tight corner the opportunity to do so. Remember that you have a voice, and every single one of us have got every opportunity to make a difference. Yes, you may have had opportunity very much, because the more you speak out, the more we know, okay, exactly what is going on. The more we know, who is responsible, and accountability can really be reached. If we do not say anything, if we just keep quiet and we just stay there, you'll be surprised what will follow. So it is what it is. If there is any time in our history where every single individual needs to begin to, ask real serious questions and ensure that the right things are done, it is now more than ever before, so that together we can make a difference in our society. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic day. From us is bye for now.